Hey guys, Steven here with ProTech. Didn't think that we'd have to do a tutorial on this, but can you come in a little closer, cameraman?
Oh yeah, you got it. I got you covered.
This is not, get right in there. This is not how you lower the flag and stow it. So we're gonna make a tutorial on how to raise and lower a flag, because lowering it like that and putting it on the ground is just going to make it all muddy and nasty. Oh God. And it's off the pulley. If you're gonna be dumb,
Here you go, swing it this way.
okay, here we go. Alright. I don't know how in the heck they pulled this off.
Pull that off top.
Huh?
Pull the cap off.
No, it's screwed on.
Oh, it's screwed on now, huh?
Yeah, I got that. You just run the camera there.
Oh yeah, it's running.
Yeah. We're going to leave this in so the video is extra painful for everyone, so that we can share the pain. The pain of stupid. There we go. I like to call it stupidity because I think that folks would be able to figure it out, but maybe not. Maybe not. Are we giving them too much credit? What do you think, Gadget?
It doesn't matter now. They're going to have a lesson plan to go by.
You're right.
Hey, smarter or stronger?
Yeah, we're going to make you smarter or we're going to make you stronger. Okay. All right, now we're back to our regular broadcast here. Okay.
Just a small example of what you have to go through if it's not stored properly.
So, we raise it like that, up to the top, and then you keep it taut. Keep it taut so it doesn't come off the pulley when the wind blows. And see how we're wrapping it there? In a figure 8, around down close to the end, and you stick your finger in there. Then you pull the last little bit through. Pull it tight. You can run it behind the string if you want. There it is. Okay, now to lower the flag, we go through, pull that out of there. We undo our figure 8. Keep tension on the string so it doesn't come off the pulley. And we lower it down. See, I'm holding both strings. And we lower it such that the flag won't touch the ground. Okay, so it doesn't get muddy. And then to tie it, again, we come up and we go like this. We figure 8 it. Get down to the end, stick your finger in there, pull it through, tuck it in behind. There it is. Stay safe, guys, and we'll see you on the Platinum range with the flags properly raised or lowered.